how to cash out your funds using Coinbase app. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can cash out Bitcoin on Coinbase. So then to cash out Bitcoin on Coinbase, all you have to do is first of all log in into your Coinbase account. While you're on this page, click my asset from the bottom, and here you'll need to go ahead and tap the search bar and select an asset that you wish to cash out. So type in Bitcoin in our case and select the asset. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you'll need to go ahead and tap the sell button located right over here. So you'll need to first of all buy Bitcoin if you have no Bitcoin. So once you tap the sell button, next page is going to ask you to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to sell. So type in the amount and make sure to convert it to USD. And after you've done that, it's going to ask you to review all of the information. After you're done confirming your sell, all you have to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. So that's basically how you can cash out Bitcoin on Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.